Good morning, my dear friends. My name is Kiran and my branch is Mechanical Engineering. Today, my subject is data structure, and here we can see that my topic is a real time navigation system for circular linked list in LOT device. Here we can observe that introduction to LOT and circular linked list. The Internet of Things. Here LOD means nothing but the Internet of Things involves interconnected device that communicate and share data. We know we are using the internet for the purpose of communication and sharing the information that we can call it as LOD. And here circular linked list or data structure where each node point to the next and forming a loop. Actually, circular linked list means it is a type of a linked list which is useful for the nodes point, and it can form through the loop. And one more point is integrating circular linked list into a LOT device enable efficient data management and real-time navigation. Through this circular linked list, we can use the device like efficient data and management and real-time navigation. And one more thing is motivation for real-time navigation in LOT device. What are the motivations are there? LOT device often require quick access and updates to data for shameless operations. Through this operation only, the data are according to situations they update itself. That is the one of the motivation. And another thing is traditional data structures may introduce latency that affect device performance. This is the traditional data performance actually. And one more point is a real-time navigation system enhance responsives and reduce processing delays in LOT environments. This was the thing we can see through the reducing of the delays. And once we can see overview of circular linked list in LOT. Circular linked list allows continuous travels and ideal for cyclic data in LOT application. This was the one applications we can see in cyclic data, and they support dynamic memory management and crucial for resource and device. One thing we can see here, the supporting dynamic memory management, one of the thing and one of the application in the circular linked list, and other thing is it is ideal for cyclic data. And their structure simplifies the implementation of real-time data updates and sensor reading. Through the sensor reading only it can amplifying by the implementation of the real time. And challenges in implementing navigation system for crucial linked list. What are the challenges we can see in linked list? Limited processing power and memory in LOT device pose constraints. Constraints mean nothing but the memory in LOT device which we use for the posing the purpose of constraints. And ensuring real-time performance requires optimized logarithm. Here the optimizing logarithm is step-by-step process through the real-time performance. We can see through the giving the coding. And handling concurrent data access demands synchronization mechanism. And proposed real-time navigation system architecture. The system comprises a lightweight traversal logarithm toiled for the resource efficiency. At the same time, it incorporation interpreted driven updates to reflect real-time changes. And embedded indexing mechanism accelerates nodes access within the circular list. Within the circular list only, it can accelerate the nodes through the axis. And the key components of the navigation system is sensor data and gather real-time data for the LOT sensor. For the use of LOT sensor, we can have the sensor data like real-time data. That was the one sensor which we use in LOT. And navigation controller manage traversal and updates within the list. Within the list only the navigation controller can use. And communication interface ensure synchronization with external system or cloud service. And logarithm designed for real-time traversal. Here first we see The logarithm use a pointer based approach for minimal or overheading the pointer. This was the one of the logarithm which we use in the real time, and it employs periodic queue to handle urgent data updates the promotely. The system updates traversal speed based on device workload and network condition. Now see, implementation and optimization strategies. Code optimization focuses on reduce memory and footprint and processing time. This was the one of thing in strategy of using the optimization. Optimization means nothing but observing and hardware specific features such as timer and interpreted are leveraged for efficiency. Periodic profiling and testing ensure the system maintenance and real-time performance. Now we can see here applications and benefits in LOT sensor. Smart homes and industrial automation benefit for quick data access and updates. Mainly we can see through this LOT sensor benefit is it has smart homes and industry automation. That's the one benefit we can see. And other thing is enhance reliability and responsiveness, improve use experience and safety. That is also one of the benefit we can see. Sorry. And the system supports scalable development across diverse LOT architectures. Now we can the last we can see conclusion and future direction. The Prospered system provides an efficiency solution for real-time navigation in LOT system, LOT device, and future work includes integration machine learning for predictive data management. Here, machine learning means nothing but it is a subset of a AI. AI means artificial intelligence, and the definition of artificial intelligence nothing but its ability of a system to work like a human, typically human race, to create and process like or solving the problem. That's the AI. And machine learning, there is a it's a subset of AI. It have different types in the machine learning like supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. And ongoing research aims to extend functionality to handle larger and more complex data structure. This was the conclusion of direction. And once we can see what we learned here, here the topic is a real-time navigation system for circular linked list in a LOT device. Here LOT means nothing but Internet of Things. That is in the short form we can call LOT. And introduction means nothing but LOT nowadays we can observe that we are using for the communication and exchanging the information. That is the one thing. At the same time, circular linked list have data structure. The definition of circular linked list, it have each node point of forming a loop. It's called circular linked list. It is a type of a list which have different like a single linked list and a double linked list. At the same time, third one is circular. This was the introduction. And motivation for real-time navigation of LOT is nothing but it can update the information through the quick access according to situation. This was one of the motivation. And overview of this LOT is nothing but this was the main application is it is ideal for cyclic data, and it is the mainly memory management, using the memory at the same time which we need the memory for the resources. And challenges, what are they in this means nothing but one main challenge is it have real-time performance because of observing the logarithm based on the step-by-step process only we can see the real time. At the same time, it have the logarithm which can operate the navigation system in architecture. And key components are of the navigation system is mainly sensor data, one of the key, because of the through the sensor data only we can we get the something like sound which we able to listen. And another thing is navigation controller means nothing but it is a manage the traversal, and it can upgrade the information within the given list. And communication interface means nothing but external system can have the communication system. And logarithm design for real-time traversal means nothing but one is pointer based, and other than this is updated promotely because of the periodic queue and workload of the network through the conditions. Implementation is nothing but mainly this strategy have three, like first of all is focus on reducing memory footprint, that was a one. Another is timer and interpreted, this was second. And third is real time performance. Because of the real time performance only we can give the priority or we can give the prophetic of this system. And next one we can see other. And application and benefits for LOT sensors. Application means nothing but just we see like ideal of cycling, that was one of the applications. And benefit means nothing but it can handle the smart homes and industry automation benefit. This was one of thing. At the same time, another one is nothing but responsive improve the experience, and it have the safety for the reliability. This for the one thing. Conclusion means nothing but it is a efficiency solution of real time. In future also, like AI and machine learning and deep learning, they can handle, and at the time they can use this morely for the ongoing system. And this one. And thanks.